In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things.
Looking to take your email and affiliate marketing to the next level? GetResponse has got your back, my friend. It's the all-in-one platform that can help you create kick-ass emails that will make your customers' jaws drop and your conversions soar high. But that's not all, folks. With GetResponse's marketing automation feature, you can put your marketing on autopilot and sit back, relax, and watch your leads turn into loyal customers. And don't forget about A/B testing, where you can have fun pitting two email versions against each other and see which one comes out on top. As for affiliate marketing, GetResponse makes it easy peasy for you to find the right products and earn those sweet commissions. With the GetResponse marketplace, you can choose from a vast range of affiliate programs that match your audience's interests and your brand's values. Plus, with detailed analytics and reporting, you can keep track of your performance and tweak your strategy to keep crushing it. And let's not forget about the cherry on top. GetResponse's wealth of educational resources and support team are always there to help you out. They've got your back, too, and they're just a message away. So, why wait? Let's get those marketing engines revving with GetResponse and unleash some serious awesomeness. Are you tired of feeling like your email and affiliate marketing strategies are falling flat? Do you feel like you're missing out on potential conversions and revenue? Well, fear not, my friend. GetResponse is here to save the day and help you take your marketing to the next level. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform that can help you create visually stunning emails that grab your audience's attention and drive conversions. The platform provides a range of email templates and design tools, making it easy for even non-designers to create professional-looking emails that are optimized for conversions. Plus, with marketing automation, you can create targeted email campaigns that are triggered based on specific actions or behaviors, such as signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. This can help you nurture leads and move them through your sales funnel more effectively, increasing your overall conversion rates. But that's not all, folks. GetResponse is also a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. By partnering with the right companies and promoting their products effectively, you can earn a steady stream of income as an affiliate marketer. With GetResponse's affiliate marketing tools and features, you can find and promote products, manage your campaigns, and track your earnings with ease. The GetResponse marketplace connects you with affiliate programs from a wide range of companies and industries, making it easy to find and promote products that are relevant to your audience and aligned with your brand. Plus, with detailed analytics and reporting, you can track the performance of your campaigns, see which products are driving the most revenue, and optimize your efforts for maximum success. But wait, there's more. GetResponse is also a friendly and supportive platform that wants to see you succeed. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, the platform offers a wealth of resources and support to help you create and execute your strategy effectively. GetResponse's educational resources, including webinars, courses, and guides, can help you learn the latest marketing techniques and stay ahead of the curve. Plus, their dedicated support team is always there to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. They're friendly, knowledgeable, and just a message away. So, if you're ready to transform your email and affiliate marketing game, look no further than GetResponse. It's the all-in-one platform that can help you create kick-ass emails and find the right products to promote, all while tracking your performance and getting the support you need. Let's unleash some serious awesomeness with GetResponse and crush those marketing goals. Click the link in the description to get your own autoresponder.
Thanks for watching. Please follow the link in the description to get access to the product.